Mother Nature. Look around and you will find that such a beautiful things such as plants, rivers, oceans, mountains, birds, animals and whatnot. These are the components of nature. We call nature as Mother Nature because we are alive only because of this universal mother. She contains everything within her embrace like animals, plants, trees and also the human beings. Think that we are the masters of this planet, but it is the big misunderstanding of the humans. We came on this planet Earth few million years ago, but all the insects, birds, trees have come on this planet much before us. But we humans need nature's grace and support if we have to survive. Recent lockdown had shown that the only human world can stop, nature does not stop. It was only we, the humans, who suffered from this pandemic. All the other birds, animals, and insects remain unaffected by the virus. This itself shows that we are really tiny on this earth. We need to be aware of the fact that even our future generation need pure air, pure water, and other resources for survival and happy life. Every element of nature is equally valuable, precious and important. A fertile soil can give us good food to eat. Soil adds minerals and salt to the rivers. And underground water, which is very important for all of us. Forest so that we breathe in pure oxygen. The forest causes good rain through which all our rivers get recharged every year and we get enough water to drink and for agriculture and so on. There are many precious medicinal and useful plants and trees in the forest whose worth is really priceless. We have to save all this for our own better future. There is a great relation between soil and trees. While soil provides nutrients to trees help the soil for getting eroded. The tree roots hold the soil firmly and thus help in keeping the ecological balance intact. Soil provides all the nutrients, minerals we need for our life and good health. Although our earth is called planet blue, very less amount of water is available for drinking. 78% of earth's surface is covered by oceans, but we cannot really use that water. What we have is only 1% for our use. That 1% of usable water is in the form of rivers, lakes, ponds, wells and underground water. We all know that water is absolutely important for the survival of not just humans but all the organisms. Water for almost all activities of our day-to-day life. We grow gardens, farms, plantation, crops only with the help of water. We should not forget that water was our past, water is our present and water will be our future. Therefore, we must protect and conserve all the water resources for the future generation. We need every element of nature to be alive, along with the air, water, soil, trees and forest. We also need insects, birds and animals. A small insect such as a bee or an ant is also of great importance in maintaining balance in the nature. Trees cannot pollinate without small insects such as bees, butterflies, etc. Water cannot percolate in without the constant effort of millions of ants. Snakes are important as they eat up such as rats and protect our crops. Flower gives us honey indirectly. Decomposer insects help us in many ways by decaying the dead animals and plants. Thus, we see that each and every minute thing, may it be even soil or stone or sand or even a tiny insect, is important in maintaining ecological balance and the food chain. Since we are directly or indirectly dependent on all of this, it is important that we put effort to preserve, protect, and save these for future generations. Let us all pledge to plant more trees. Let us use minimum plastic and reuse it. Let us turn off switches and save electricity when it is not needed. Because electricity is generated using resources such as water. Let us walk to a nearby store instead of taking bike or car and save fuel and reduce pollution. Earth is precious, life is precious, and therefore nature is extremely precious. Let us all be aware of our actions always, because our action decides our future. Nature is our mother, she loves us all, but we have to love her and respect her a lot. Think before you waste any resource that we get from nature. Remember, forest, soil, air, water are always for us. But we too should be for the nature as her good children.